One of the most important cable in your home theater is the HDMI cable. Now HDMI cable over the last couple of decades has seen various versions, various upgrades, while the primary job of the cable used to be of transferring the audio and the video signal, but now it has got something more to offer. And what is that more? Well, it is about the ARC and the eARC features, and that is exactly what we are going to discover and talk about in today's video. Now let us first understand what exactly is HDMI. HDMI stands for High Definition Multimedia Interface, which means that it is an interface between two devices. Now in earlier times, we used to see those white, red and the yellow cables, wherein the yellow was transferring the video and the white and the red used to transfer the analog audio. Similarly, we had VGA cable doing the same job of transferring a low quality, very low bitrate data in the video segment. And if not with the analog, if you wanted digital outputs, then we had the optical cables or the coaxial cables do the job. But now you don't need any of these cables and you just need one cable, which is the HDMI cable. So that is the main advantage of having HDMI cable in your home theater system. Now in the recent times, HDMI has came up with many upgrades, as I told you in the start, and this upgrade that I'm talking about is the HDMI ARC or eARC. Now I'm pretty sure that if you're using a home theater system which comprises of a TV, a soundbar or a home theater amplifier, you will definitely have either of these two ports, either ARC port or an eARC port. Now what does ARC stand for? ARC is actually audio return channel and eARC is enhanced audio return channel. So HDMI, as we all know, is an interface device which is connecting device 1 to device 2. And this was primarily to carry the signal from the device 1 to device 2, which used to be the audio and the video signal combined together. But now, since the time we have got the ARC or the eARC in the game, it has actually become a two-way street. So it means that you can actually transport back some data from the second device back into the first device. So that is one of the biggest advantage of ARC or eARC enabled devices. Apart from that, you get additional feature like something called as HDMI CEC. Now CEC stands for Consumer Electronics Control, and if you want to know more about it, then simply hit the link above to watch the complete video. Now the third advantage of ARC or eARC is again eliminating multiple devices. And when did it start happening? Well, since the time we started getting TVs in smarter formats, wherein you have built-in apps in the TV or in your portable projectors, that's when we started seeing ARC or eARC coming into the game. Because now when you watch your TV or built-in app in the TV, you can actually pull out the audio from it and get it back to your audio system using this ARC or eARC as a feature, eliminating the need of laying multiple cables. Let us now understand the differentiation between HDMI ARC and eARC. First up, we take the ARC, which is the audio return channel. Now in the ARC format, what you get is a two-way street, but this time the audio return street is very narrow, which means that it is not going to pass a very high quality audio data, and it will restrict itself only to Dolby Digital. Also, the CEC will work but without lip sync. Now let us look at the advantages of HDMI eARC, which stands for Enhanced Audio Return Channel. Now as the name suggests, it is definitely going to be far more better than the ARC, because this time around the return street of audio is going to be far more wider and bigger, ensuring that you get high quality audio. For instance, in ARC, if you used to get Dolby Digital, in eARC, you can get a much more higher quality Dolby Atmos signal. Not just that, you can also enjoy lip sync with CEC in HDMI eARC. So if these were some of the basic advantages of HDMI eARC and ARC, let us now understand how does a connection of an HDMI ARC and eARC device work together. Now the reason why I am giving this example is because most of the people are still using TVs or projectors which carry only HDMI ARC port, while their new soundbars or home theater amplifiers are with eARC. Now in such cases, what exactly happens? Do you enjoy Dolby Digital or do you get Dolby Atmos? Well, what you get is something right in the middle, which is the Dolby Digital Plus. Now Dolby Digital Plus is not really the best of the Dolby Atmos format. It's a more compressed format, and that's one of the disadvantages of using one device with ARC and another device with eARC during this connection. So I'm sure by now you would be convinced that what I need in my home theater is only eARC, and I need ports in my TV or projector with eARC as well as in my sound system with eARC. But to really enjoy eARC to the best of its format, you need one more thing, and that thing is the HDMI 2.1 version cable, which carries a data speed of 48 Gbps, ensuring that you get a bigger bandwidth and a faster speed, not just in the refresh rate but also in the audio space. So that is the benefit of having HDMI 2.1 version, which should be ideally used with your eARC compatible devices to enjoy your home theater in the best manner. So this was about HDMI ARC, eARC, HDMI 2.1 version cables, etc. Now if you want to know more about HDMI 2.1 and if you're someone who wants to get into the small nitty-gritties of it, then check the link that is shared in the pinned comment, and I am going to help you with a special white paper document of HDMI 2.1 version. So don't forget to use that. Also, to those of you who are still confused as to how will this work and how can I get the best audio experience for my home theater, well, we have got a special virtual assistance calibration service which you should check using the link that is shared in the description. And for more such amazing videos on tips and tricks, hacks and best products to buy in home theaters, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. That's it from my end. I, Tanmay Mehta, your home cinema consultant or home theater wale bhaiya, will see you again in the next one.